Hi, this is Dr. Nami again, and today I wanted to share with you some, let's see, I'd like to share with you some things that you can do, or what are some holistic approaches to teeth cleaning. One of the ways that we can clean teeth is going to be, or if let's say, let's talk about at home first, and then we'll talk about the office. So at home, what you can do is obviously, electric toothbrush, making sure using a natural hydroxy nanoapatite toothpaste like Boca is one of my favorite brands. Also, making sure that you are tongue scraping and making sure you're flossing. So those are some things you can do at home. You can add oil pilling or something like that if you want. So that's always really great as well. And when you go into the dental office, there's a lot of things that you can do. Number one, you can make sure the dental office is utilizing the water is really critical because they're using distilled water and they're using water with extra oxygen in it because what oxygen does, it kills off bad bacteria, which is awesome. So that's one of the reasons why I recommend that. Now, you can also make sure that the dental office is using something to show you the biofilm so they can stain your teeth and you can actually see the bacteria on your teeth. So that way you know what to do to improve your oral hygiene. If it means that you need to floss more or better, or if it means that you need to hold the toothbrush on each tooth for 3 seconds, they'll go through this information with you. And then when you get to actual cleaning, you're making sure they're using fluoride-free products for the polish. They're also placing ozone underneath the gums. They're using hydroxy nanoapatite to help remineralize your natural tooth structure. So these are some things that you can consider when going to a natural holistic dentist for a cleaning, or in our practice, that's what we do. We'd love to have you in. Let us know if you have any questions, and we'll go from there.